Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Gemini 2.0 to come up with personalized gift ideas for your loved ones. Whether you're shopping for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions, Gemini can help you find the perfect gift based on someone's interests and preferences. Let's dive in. First of all, define the recipient's interests. To start, you need to define the person you're buying for. Think about their interests, hobbies, and preferences. For example, do they love cooking, technology, fitness, or art? Let's say you're shopping for a friend who loves hiking, outdoor adventures, and photography. Secondly, provide your gift criteria to Gemini. Once you know the person's interest, input the information into Gemini 2.0. You can ask, suggest, right? Personalized, right? Personalized gift ideas for a friend who loves hiking, outdoor adventures, and photography. Okay? And you're gonna hit enter, and Gemini will generate gift ideas, right? You can see, right, waterproof camera, a portable water filter, high quality hiking backpack, and more. And customize the gift. And based on the suggestions, you can further personalize the gift. For example, if you like personalized adventure journal, you can ask Gemini, can you suggest a journal with a custom message engraved on the cover. Something that inspires adventures. Okay? And Gemini will reply and say something like custom journal with a phrase, every journey begins with a single step, engraved, perfect for hiking adventures and photography, right? Or the world is waiting for you. Collect moments, not things. Let the adventures begins. And you can see much more. Okay? And make the purchase and wrap it up. Once you've picked the perfect gift, you can go ahead and purchase it from your favorite online store or artisan shop. For an extra touch, you could ask Gemini, lastly, to help with gift wrapping ideas. For example, suggest a nature themed, this is optional by the way, you can skip that one, gift wrap to match the hiking and adventure theme, and hit enter. And Gemini might suggest wrap the gift with eco-friendly craft paper and add green ribbon made of recycled fabric, or with tag shaped like a mountain peak. In conclusion, that's how you can use Gemini 2.0 to come up with personalized gifts ideas that truly reflect the recipient's personality and passions, whether it's for birthday, anniversary, or just because. Gemini can help you find the thoughtful and unique gift. Let me know in the comments how Gemini has helped you with gift ideas, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.